we'll see the use of trace, verify, uh, and satisfy requirement in this tutorial. Trace is a very weak connector, so avoid using it unless until it is necessary. So what we are doing is we are tracing this requirement to some outside fictitious document. Let's say this document. We are giving it a name document 1.2. It's some document, maybe some paper document outside the scope of the HTML or UML. Trace. Books and online resources say that whenever possible we should avoid using trace. Now we will create a test requirement or test case. Verify connector used to connect test cases with our requirement. We are connecting speed adaptation to rain intensity. The test case is named as water test case. I already drew all of these in the same package, that's why. Just a second. Uh, Use verify when we want to connect a test case with a requirement. So here we will use test case requirement. That this test case verifies whether this requirement is fulfilled or not. We'll give it a name water test. I already drew all these cases, that's why these names are appearing automatically when I type. And this is a water spray test. If we spray some water, the automatic wiping should take place. When we drop some sand on the windshield, then there should be no wiping because we are developing a system only for the water. And our test case should also verify whether the speed of the wiping changes with the amount of water we spray. So these are the three functions that our test case should verify. This I connect so that this requirement is satisfied by some object. For an example, a speed adaptation to rain intensity. It may be satisfied by some device. So what we do is we'll use a block. We'll give it some electronic. This electronic device satisfy the requirement of data. In the textbook, Sandy has an example of camera 24. The requirement is 24 surveillance, which is satisfied by user camera. So we'll create a satisfy requirement here. This shows that electronic device satisfies the requirement. Test case verifies the requirement. We should be very clear about the direction of the symbols, otherwise it will get the wrong meaning. Draw a refined connector. Uh, we have derived that the requirement speed increases with rain intensity from application to rain. Now we can have a knob in our car that will increase, decrease the speed of the wiping, but this requirement only increase the speed with the rain intensity. So we will refine this requirement. So what we'll do is we'll create a requirement here. We'll put speed may be controlled by a knob. So this shows that we have refined this requirement and speed increases with rain by using a different requirement. Speed may be controlled by the knob. We'll use a refined relationship here. We can add a simple note. that the requirement is defined as a user can increase or decrease speed of file. I'll end this tutorial. You can send me your feedback. My name is Rahul. I'm uh, I'm completing my graduation from George Mason University, Virginia. You can send me your feedback at er.it.rahul@gmail.com, and I'll try to improve these diagrams. Thank you.